Well, in this tutorial, we'll see how to use underscore for unused function arguments. Now here in this simple app, I have a scaffold, and inside scaffold, I have this list view builder, and inside list view builder, I have item builder. And for item builder, we are passing context and index. But as you see, this context we are not using, and most likely in most of your Flutter app, you are not going to use the context inside item builder. In this case, you just simply pass an underscore, saying that, okay, you can skip this or you can use it as default. And at the same time, if we see the index over here, we are also not using index inside this padding. So we can also skip that one. And for this one, we need to use double underscore, because this is the second one. If you have third argument, so you would use 3 underscores, but in this case we don't have, so we'll just only stick with the 2. All right, so that's how you go ahead and use underscore for the unused arguments in Flutter. So now we'll run it and we'll see that, yeah, it stays the same. Okay, hot reload, it stays the same. Okay, so we don't get any error. So this is how you will use underscore for unused function arguments. Thank you.